Hi everyone, once again welcome to this tutorial. In today's video we're going to talk about help, how to get help and how to ask for help. Let's go on the last icon on the left side of the screen at the bottom left. Once we click on it, it directs us to the user guide. We can go through it, browse through it. If you don't find relevant information about what you are looking for, you could always write us directly from the platform. You click on ask help, change the topic to ask help, you write the information that you are looking for, and then you click send. It will go directly to our technical support team and we will address your needs in a timely manner. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed today's video. See you next time.